If you're in an environment where you've got the high availability options from Microsoft for SQL Server, that would be either clustering or mirrored SQL Server, then that connection string is going to be a little different. As you can see here, we've got some examples of what the connection string should look like. In the event that you've got a clustered environment, we're simply asking you to put the name of the SQL Server cluster or the IP address of that SQL Server cluster instead of the computer name. And you'll find all this duplicated in the release notes for the AF server. That's where we got this from. So that's what we would do for clustered environment. For the mirrored environment, you'd simply add this Failover Partner argument, as you can see right here. And there's also an option for adding encryption that you'll add with an extra argument, encrypt equals yes. Now, of course, that's not the only thing that you're going to be interested in if you're working in an environment that's clustered or mirrored. So what I'd like to recommend is over in the AF documentation, this is in the AF Users Guide, you'll look at Appendix C. There's a whole section there on working with AF collectives. And in this appendix, you'll find discussions not only about Pi collectives, but also clustered SQL servers, mirrored SQL servers, etc. Now, one last point. If you are going to be using SQL Server security instead of Windows Integrated Security, I'd like to refer you to this Chapter 7 in your class workbook. There's a whole section there on security, including how to configure everything so that you're using the SQL security instead of the Windows Integrated Security.